Hi everyone, my name is Stephen Robison and this is my creative AI teardown. For this assignment I chose Steve.AI. I picked it mainly because of the name that associated with my name, but I quickly regretted it. At first the site claimed to be an AI tool for creating animated and live action videos from text prompts. That sounded great. But what I actually got was very different. Using using Steve.AI felt like time traveling back to the 1990s. The videos I prompted never came out right. It looked and felt like something an amateur hobbyist would have built years ago. But they charging $59 a month for it. Honestly, it felt more like a scam than a serious AI tool. The usability was just as bad. It starts by asking you a string of questions and even gives you a tutorial video, but the tutorial lagged so badly it felt like using old dial-up internet. After entering the prompts and all of that, the system just asked me if I wanted stock footage or still images. That completely killed the promise of AI video. To give you a comparison, it's like using Steve.AI versus a modern tool like Sora is like comparing the Flintstones to the Jeffersons. The limitations were everywhere. Creative control was almost non-existent. The templates looked like they were 10 years or older. The characters were stiff, the voices were robotic, and everything looked generic. No matter what I put in. Out of curiosity, I looked under the hood a little bit at the developer tools, inspecting it. And so the code told me the same story. The body tag was just a placeholder, and it was called video tool refresh. Most of the page was empty except for a Google tag and a manager lock or something like that, and even the metadata was old and it was commented out. The event listeners were also nothing special. Just a list of basic clicks and inputs. Like someone turned on everything by default without any optimization. It was no wonder that the site felt laggy. From the business side, it's no surprise. I did a little more digging on it as well. And Steve.AI is owned by Animaker Incorporated. And they started in 2014. And according to the Crunchbase, they have never raised outside funding. Which doesn't surprise me, by the way, but the last revenue number that is public came from the India entity in 2019, which was only $1.2 million. That explains a lot about why the tool looks abandoned and out of date. My final verdict is simple. This is a result of a company not caring enough about whether their product works or not. They were handed a gift by being early in the market, but they did not nurture it. They didn't even try to take care of it. If they had, they might be dominating it now. Instead the product feels outdated, overpriced, and disappointing. $59 a month is outrageous for what you get and everything. To tell you the truth, a grade school kid could have probably built something better. To me, it embarrasses me to even share the same name. To me, this is not AI at all. It is, jokingly I'm saying this, but it is NAI, which is not artificial intelligence. Still, this is a lesson here. Sometimes the failures of others teach us more than the success, because Steve.AI shows exactly what not to do if you want to build a sustainable AI tool. Thank you very much, and see you soon.